Oh, if it ain't two-stroke, you ain't doing nothing. Two-stroke, you ain't got no stroke.
Yo! Yes, sir. We're coming in hot, dog. Woo. Yo, we outside right now. I seen you. You about to hit that one-hander?
Yeah, but it's too bumpy.
It's a bumpy-ass lot. Boy, Kirsten, stand up one. Oh my God. Yo! Are you kidding me, brother? The boy Kirsten is getting so goddamn good. I can't even do that, dog. Hey! Bruh, I can't even do that. I can't do that. That's crazy. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, that.
That shit gonna be scary.
Dude, it's scary as heck.
Let that bitch go.
The only bike I can do it on is my 50. I swear. Those stand-up one-handers are scary, bro. How you doing? Chilling. You been here before, or? Yeah. We got the boys outside. A little sunset sesh. There's nothing better than this, bro. A little sunset, 70 degrees out. I'm almost like, bro, I got goosebumps. That's how chilly it is. Woo! Yes, sir. I seen him shift locking with like the tip of his toe. I seen you shift lock with like the tip of your toe. That was like barely on it. Big K out here. We got Big K out here. Yes, sir. Woo! Big K. Yes, sir. It's a 150.
It's a 150?
Yeah, 150R. It's light, but it's powerful like a 450.
450,
Yeah, but it's super lightweight, but it's still got all that torque. You need to get a dirt bike, man. They're fun.
I want to get me a 125.
Yeah, two-stroke. Yeah.
Oh, if it ain't two-stroke, you ain't doing nothing. Two-stroke, you ain't got no stroke.
No, I feel that. I got two-stroke too. You got 250? Oh, nice. It's a big wheel too, so it's like, yeah, you can sit on it.
I just want to see how heavy it is.
Yeah, go ahead, brother. You can ride it if you want.
Don't kill yourself.
No, I ain't got it. No, I'm not at work. I can't do it. Yeah, that's perfect size. You say this is a 150?
Yeah, it's a big wheel though. They have a small wheel and a big wheel. So this one's a little bigger, just the wheels.
Hell yeah, bro. I'll get a 150 then.
Right, yeah.
I don't shit about bikes. I respect people that ride bikes. I'm scared of those.
I feel it.
I'm scared of those. 14, I was riding something, and I ended up I was riding something, bro, and I hit the turn, and I end up upside down like this, feet in the air.
Hey, that could happen. None of y'all want to try it?
Nope. I would, but I'm at work.
No, yeah.
I wouldn't even.
Hey, get that workers' comp, bro. And then, yo, shout out those homies though. They're cool as shit. I wanted them to ride the bike, but none of them wanted to ride the freaking 150. I'm like, bro, this thing got extra power. Have I rode that before or no? Huh? Have I rode that? Could I try it out? Bro, 280 hours. This bit, that got us a lot. Oh my God, bro, this thing feels weird. Woo! Yo, RMCs are the weirdest feeling bikes, bro, I swear. Woo, we outside on the RMC. That was weird. I felt like I felt like something pushed up on my foot. What happened? You don't like it? Hey, well, I can tell you this thing feels weird.
I'm used to it though.
It's just like, it's hard to pick it up. Like, it's really hard. It doesn't really, it's not that torquey. That's what it is. It's not that torquey. Oh my God, my brake pads are getting thin, dog. Thank God I checked that, dude. Yo, I was wheeling and I'm like, bro, something feels a little bit off. Like, I can't pinpoint it. Like, the brake ain't really grabbing as hard as it usually does. It's the goddamn brake pads. Thank you. How you doing?
I don't give a shit what you do back here, but there's a security guy's gonna come around here and run you out.
Really? Yeah, I'll just wait till he kicks me out. I'm just testing it out. I just put a new thing on it, so.
I know, but you don't give a shit.
Okay, hey, I appreciate you. Have a good one, all right?
Be careful, man.
I will.
Maybe wearing a helmet.
Always. You gotta wear the helmet. Shout out homie. Cool ass trucker, bro. I low-key, I love truckers and I hate them, bro. I hate them when they freaking go in the left lane and go slow as shit. But besides that, I love them. They're usually cool as shit. Bro, the 150 is feeling comfy right now, bro. I know every time I say that, I usually go down. Look at that, no hands. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Bro, this thing, it feels good. Oh my God, I almost went down right there. I did a no-hander and I gave it a little throttle when I was on the side. Woo! But man, shout out the 150. She is a trooper, bro. Like, I be doing rev bombs on this thing, just revving this thing out fully, and she's still like, she's holding up so strong. Like I said, this is the mini 450. So it's literally a 450 in miniature form. That's the best way to explain this goddamn 150R. Hopefully the popo is cool with your boy shredding over here. I ain't trying to get in trouble.